I was supposed to drive to the bush, but I was so tired from the pontoon and the North Luangwa crossing that I decided to drive back to Mpika. I couldn't stay at the camping because I had no cash with me anymore, and the 3 ATMs of the little town had no money. So I treated myself and I booked a motel room somewhere out of town just for the night. Also, I really need to have a look at the load bed fixations. I do not want to break Rafiki or the tent because, this is my home. Anyway, I was relaxing so much at the motel that I just started to drive now, at the end of the day. The plan is to reach the town of Kasama, further north. I decided to leave Mpika earlier today. I'm driving just 3 hours. Today I'm arriving at Kasama, which is the northeastern part of Zambia. I'm approaching a border with Tanzania very soon. This morning when I left the bedroom, I saw someone wash my car, and I don't know who washed my car this morning. I parked in the motel, and yeah, I woke up and I saw my car white. And remember, I told you that I don't want to wash my car underneath. Sometimes I will need to clean it because it's the most important thing, but the body of the car, I just don't care. I prefer people to use the water to wash themselves, to cook and everything, than to wash my car. So it's very kind someone washed my car, but again, I want people here to use the water for them and not for my car. Yeah, that's the only thing. But it was very kind. Anyway, I left something at the reception, to say thank you. There is a problem in here because this honey from France just broke inside the box, and so there is honey everywhere, but I actually don't know why there is some honey here. Damn it, I need to clean everything. This is such a mess. I need to clean a few things. I bought this yesterday to plug some stuff, some devices, and I need to clean my fridge. It's such a mess. Yeah, and I need to reorganize a few things in the cab and in the load bed as well. And I bought this to make some crepes. So let me explain. Here I'm charging the electronic devices, but anyway, I just cleaned the fridge with wet vinegar, and here I'm reorganizing a few things to be more practical. I hate this box. This is my clothes box, but it's so annoying. Need to find a solution. This is such a mess. So now I need to take everything out of the car because I want to have a look at the fixation at the back and see what I can do to repair them. So I'm going to show you one of the fixation. I don't know how to say in English, but here are two, fixations, and here only one. Oh putain, merde. Putain, il a pété. Il a pété, putain. Welcome in my favorite part of the car, the load bed. I used to be here a lot when I was building Rafiki because I did, this like plywood board just to fix some rails and then the ammo crates on it. It's so weird to be back here. I love this place because I can hide. I'm going to fix everything again to make sure, everything is fixed and that nothing is going to move. But I mean, anytime soon, and I'll be ready to be back on the road. So look at this one. This one is fixed, and this one just, moved away. So I need to fix it again. Ah, nickel. Nickel. Je vais insérer mes autres petits boulons. So I'm going to show you. That's the first one. The one was okay. This one was okay. And this is the one I just, tight again and put it back. So, yeah. I tight it. I'm going to tight this one, the two behind this box, the two behind this box, and the two there. My new bed. Bon, allez. Allez les gars. Now we are going to refill the gas bottles. This one is mine, 3.5, and this one is 5 kilos. I'm still with Thierry and Kadra. It's so good to be back on the road. We are heading to Lake Tanganyika, which is the top north part of Zambia at the border with Tanzania, and hopefully we can cross the border maybe in 2 days or something. They are going to Dar es Salaam and I'm going to Rwanda. So I'm so happy. I'm literally parked on the side of the road. I'm waiting for them, want to have some lunch together. And I enjoy Kadra. She's Moroccan, she's an amazing cook. So, like with me, it's another world. It's weird, like I so enjoy I so enjoy to be on my own, to be honest. And sometimes I feel like I'm very, very independent and I need to be on my own. I feel so free. I'm even wondering if one day, imagine I meet someone and I'm not even like able to be with someone anymore because I so love being on my own and stuff. And sometimes I'm like, this whole travel is like confirming who I am, and maybe I'm meant to be alone forever. Today I'm wearing my new trousers and I just love it. And now I'm checking for those guys to come. It's so warm this morning. I left those two top windows open the whole night and also the side windows because no air. You can see the French. Lake Tanganyika is the longest freshwater lake in the world and the second deepest after Lake Baikal in Russia. Although Zambia can only claim to 7% of its surface area, it stretches north to south, a distance of 677 kilometers. The clear waters host more than 2,000 species of fish, plants, crustaceans, birds, and Nile crocodiles inhabit most of the shoreline, except here in Mpulungu. Sport fishing is very popular and swimming in the lake an absolute treat. On the Lake Tanganyika. and Thierry, they're over there. Rafiki is here. And everything is ready for the night. I even like set up the table and the chair. There is a celebration at the village, I think. So nice. Celebration. Need to leave all the windows open because it's so warm. It's so warm.